Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing about the assignment of computer science. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of assignments in PDF and handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, and we provide also the home. I'm sorry for this. We provide online tutor for this courses, and if you need a personal tutor or your friend need a personal tutor, so you can contact us and you can take a subscription of the Encyclo Hub for this tutor. So yeah, now we have a question for you, which is question number 3. And question number 3 is saying the change the following statements in a more subtle way using assertive communication skills. You have written a poor assignment, go and write again. And how many times do I need to explain the same concept? Can't you understand in the first go? So, this answer has been solved by our team and in the PDF form or in the handwritten form also. So, if you need answer of these questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We will provide it on your screen. And thank you so much for watching.